Welcome to the lecture series of Z transform. Today we are going to see a problem under formation of difference equation. Look at the question. Form the difference equation from y suffix n equal to a plus b n into 2 power n. So the solution is, we'll write the given equation first. Yn equal to a plus b n into 2 power n. Now we multiply this a into 2 power n plus b n into 2 power n. So this is our given equation. We call this as equation 1. Now replace n by n plus 1. So a into 2 power n plus 1 plus b n plus 1 into 2 power n plus 1. Now the 2 power n plus 1 can be written as 2 power n into 2. So this can be written as 2a into 2 power n plus 2b n plus 1 into 2 power n. So our y n plus 1 equal to, this is our equation 2. Now in the given equation we replace n by n plus 2. So y n plus 2 equal to a into 2 power n plus 2 plus b n plus 2 into 2 power n plus 2. 2 power n plus 2 also can be written as 2 power n into 2 square, that is 4 into 2 power n. So this can be written as 4a into 2 power n plus here also plus 4b into n plus 2 into 2 power n. This is our equation 3. Now we are going to eliminate a and b from the above equations. So eliminate a and b. So from the first equation, the left hand side is yn, then coefficient of a into 2 power n is 1, and then quotient of b into 2 power n is n. Likewise in the second equation, yn plus 1, 2 into n plus 1. Same manner third equation, yn plus 2, here it is 4 and here it is 4 into n plus 2. Right in the determinant form, we are going to expand this. So yn into corresponding row and column we can omit. So when you are multiplying this, 8 into n plus 2 minus this way 8 into n plus 1 minus 1 into corresponding row and column we have to omit 4 into yn plus 1 into n plus 2 minus, and here it is minus 2 n plus 1 into yn plus 2. Then the last term n into corresponding row and column 4yn plus 1 minus 2yn plus 2 equal to 0. yn into, here we can take the 8 outside, 8 into n plus 2 minus n minus 1, and here also yn plus 1 and yn plus 1. So we can take the yn plus 1 commonly outside. So here we can have 4n minus, here it is minus 4n plus 2. So 4 into n plus 2. Same manner n plus 2, yn plus 2 equal to, here one n plus 2 and here also n plus 2. So here we can get 2 into n plus 1 and here it is minus 2 into n. So minus 2n equal to 0. So plus n minus n we can cancel, plus 4n minus 4n we can cancel, here 2n minus 2n we can cancel. So write the remaining terms, here 2 minus 1 1. So 8yn minus 8yn plus 1 plus 2yn plus 2 equal to 0. Here it is minus 4 into 2. So that's why here it is 8. Therefore the required difference equation is 8yn minus 8yn plus 1 plus 2yn plus 2 equal to 0. We can divide the whole equation by 2 so that we can get 4yn minus 4yn plus 1 plus yn plus 2 equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Now look at the next question. Form the difference equation from a into yn equal to a plus b into 2 power n. This is the question. So we will write the first given equation, yn equal to yn equal to a plus b into 2 power n. This is our equation 1. Replace n by n plus 1. So a plus b into 2 power n plus 1. So a plus 2 power n plus 1 can be written as 2 into 2 power n. So 2b into 2 power n, equation 2. And replace n by n plus 2 in 1. So a plus b into 2 power n plus 2, that is a plus 4b into 2 power n, equation 3. This is our yn plus 2. Now we are going to eliminate a and b. So from equation 1, left hand side is yn and coefficient of a is 1 and coefficient of b into 2 power n is 1. And the next equation yn plus 1, 1, and here it is 2. And the third equation yn plus 2, coefficient of a is 1 and here it is 4. We are expanding this, you can get the required difference equation. So yn into corresponding row and column we can omit 4 minus 2. Minus 1 into, here also row and column, 4 yn plus 1 minus 2 yn plus 2. Then the last one plus 1 into yn plus 1 minus yn plus 2 equal to 0. So now here it is 4 minus 2, it is 2 yn. Here minus 4 yn plus 1, minus into minus plus 2 yn plus 2 and plus yn plus 1 minus yn plus 2 equal to 0. So yn plus 1, here also yn plus 1. So 2 yn minus 3 yn plus 1 and here it is yn plus 2 minus. So we can get plus yn plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, the required difference equation is 2yn minus 3yn plus 1 plus yn plus 2 equal to 0. This is the answer for the second question. Look at the next question. Solve the difference equation. Form the difference equation yn equal to a into 3 power n. So we'll write the given equation as equation 1. Yn equal to a into 3 power n. Replace n by n plus 1. So yn plus 1 equal to a into 3 power n plus 1. Therefore, yn plus 1 equal to, this 3 power n plus 1 can be written as 3a into 3 power n. Now this a into 3 power n is nothing but 1, since yn equal to a into 3 power n. So we can replace this as 3yn. Therefore, yn plus 1 minus 3yn equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Actually, this is a 2-mark question. Thank you for watching.